Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage household budgets with GoodBudget detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the GoodBudget app on your device. If you haven't already, sign up for a free account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Start by setting up your income sources in the app. Tap on the income section to add your sources. Enter the name of each income source and the amount. Next, navigate to the Envelopes section. Envelopes represent different spending categories. Create envelopes for areas such as groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Assign a specific budgeted amount to each envelope. Review your total budget to ensure it aligns with your income. Now, move to the Transactions section to track your spending. Add a transaction by selecting the corresponding envelope. Enter the transaction amount and a brief description. Track your spending regularly to stay within your budget. Adjust envelope amounts as necessary throughout the month. Use the Reports feature to visualize your spending trends. Identify areas where you might be overspending. Set achievable goals to improve your budgeting process. Consider using the Sync feature to access your budget across devices. Take advantage of reminders to prompt you for regular updates. Review your budget weekly to ensure you're on track. Make any necessary adjustments based on your financial situation. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated on your budgeting journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.